Hello, I'm Philip, the main organizer of Discovering Prague, and I would like to invite you to our regular weekly hikes. We meet every Sunday at 10 o'clock and then we walk some 6 to 10 kilometers and then we go for lunch together. The goal is to enjoy the beautiful nature Prague has and to discover some interesting places outside of the city center. It's not just about walking, we always learn some interesting history and facts about the places we are visiting. And there is always a group of very friendly people from all around the world who live and work in Prague, and so it's a great opportunity for everyone to socialize, to enlarge a social circle.
We've started about 3 hours ago and we've been through various places like forests and old graveyards and some interesting historical places, and it's been wonderful. It's been great to spend time to get to meet new people and to really enjoy being outside in the city and seeing some really nice new places.
These hikes created countless friendships and relationships and even business deals, so that makes it so great, and I believe that more people should become part of it.